Hey guys, today we're gonna do an unboxing of my Bluetooth intercom which I recently ordered from Banggood. And I was pretty skeptic before ordering on this site or the AliExpress, to be honest, because I wasn't sure how long would it take to get delivered, and what if it gets stuck in the customs. So I thought I'll give it a try and ordered one for myself, and it has finally arrived. So we do get the intercom itself, and this looks pretty good in my opinion, and it has a Bluetooth Type-C, which is more kind of a future proof, where you don't have to carry additional charges. And underneath that you will find the charging adapter. This one is the US type adapter, which I'm sure you'll find easily the converters for them for the Indian plugs. And this is the microphone and few manuals. This is the microphone along with a couple of speakers which will go inside the helmet, and they have a really soft touch and feel to it, and they do have the 3M tape and along with the Velcro straps. This is a Type-C charger which they are providing in the box along with it. And this is few mounts again for the Bluetooth intercom to be mounted onto your helmet. And they do have two types of mounts which you can choose. One is the one which directly fits onto the helmet. You have to screw them up, or you have this option of sticking in the 3M tape with the Velcro and sticking your intercom to the mount with the Velcro strap. And this one is another audio wire which you can connect to your phone. And you do have the Allen key to mount the intercom to your helmet. And these are all the things that you're gonna get inside the box. Alright, so I'm gonna talk about the installation part here. As you can see, I've mounted the metal clamp onto the helmet side, which I'll be mounting my intercom on there. And I would suggest you guys to take out the padding of your helmet, which will make the work much easier. And as you can see, once you take out the padding, you can separate this speakers and pull out the sticker from one of the 3M tapes of your speakers and paste it in the designated area where you have the speaker slot inside your helmet. If you don't have one, you can place it exactly where your ears fit in inside the helmet, where your ears are gonna stay. You can just place it there and just keep aligning the mic and place both of the speakers in their designated areas which is given, and place your paddings back and make sure that all the wires are tucked in neat inside the padding, which makes it look much cleaner and easier. So once it's done, you can just put them back, and you do have the extending wire which goes into the intercom itself. Just make sure you pull that little bit out and make sure that it's not too tight. Just leave it a little bit of room for the wire to go into the intercom, and once you plug it in, that's it. You can just connect and pair your intercom, switch on your intercom and pair it with your phone, and you're good to go.